that. So we've been waiting about 3 years for this. Actually 10, but we've been working with Lisa for 3. And one of the cool things about the last 3 years is, and one of the cool things about working with Lisa, is we never felt rushed or pressured. Whenever we wanted to see a place, it was, yeah, I'll be right there. And you know, the more time went on and the more houses we looked at and the more houses we walked away from, we thought, oh my gosh, she hates us. We shouldn't call her. But all the time she kept saying, yeah, don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. So today it's cool and we thank you, Lisa.
And she became a good friend as well, not just a realtor.
Come on, my love. I'll let you do it.
Big wooden doors.
That was easy.
Yay!
Vegas colors. How nice.
Oh, look at
Thank you, Lisa. That's great.